Check this out. While cleaning out the old warehouse at his hometown, this young man stumbled upon an antique doorbell. He vaguely remembers it being the same one that hung by his grandpa's front door when he was just a kid. Who would have thought that after more than 2 decades, it would reappear right in front of him? Even though he's all grown up now, with a family and career of his own, and grandpa is no longer with him, the doorbell is still here, albeit covered in rust and grime. The young man decides to give it a proper renovation and restore it to its former glory, relying on his memories to bring back every single detail just as it was. As a restoration expert, breathing new life into old objects is his passion. We can't wait to see how he transforms this worn-out piece of history. The entire process is incredibly therapeutic. So if you're into restoration videos, you definitely don't want to miss this one. To get the job done as quickly as possible, the young man has been working non-stop for 5 hours straight. The restoration process is no easy feat. Can any of you guess what this object is? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Trust me, you'll be amazed by the end result. While liking the video is a gesture of goodwill, not liking it is totally understandable. These skilled artisans work tirelessly from dawn to dusk to create amazing content, which is truly admirable. But I believe that by the time you've reached this point, you won't hesitate to give a free like to show your appreciation for their hard work. If you enjoy this young man's restoration skills, be sure to follow him for more daily restoration videos. Your support means the world to artisans like him and keeps them motivated to continue creating. Thank you so much. As the video comes to a close, let's take a moment to admire the final product. Isn't it just stunning? Are you blown away by the transformation? I'd love to know what you think of the young man's craftsmanship. On a scale of 1 to 10, how many points would you give him? Leave your rating in the comments below, along with any other thoughts you might have. If you're a fan of his restoration techniques, don't forget to like and follow for more daily restoration content. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.